Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you how to make bread rolls in a cast iron skillet. This is an easy recipe that always gives great results. Let's start with 220 grams of milk and 45 grams of sugar. We want to make sure that our milk is heated to about 105 degrees Fahrenheit before we add our yeast. Give it a quick stir and then we're going to set it aside for about 10 minutes for the yeast to start to come to life. You should see a nice layer of foam on top of your milk. This lets you know that the yeast is ready to go. Into the mixer we want to add 380 grams of all-purpose flour, 18 grams of salt, and 1 tablespoon of egg replacer mixed with 3 tablespoons of water, and then our milk and yeast mixture. Turn the mixer on to speed 2 and then add 50 grams of butter. Adding the butter in small pieces will help it incorporate easier. If you throw the butter all in at once, you're going to overwork the gluten in the dough and you'll end up with chewy rolls. Once all the butter is added, turn the mixer on to speed 3 and mix for 3 minutes, but for the sake of the video, I'll be speeding up the footage. After 3 minutes, you can see that we have a nice dough ball formed. If it's a little wetter than this, that's okay. You don't really want it to be any drier. It's not necessary to knead this dough, but we do need to get a nice smooth skin on the outside. We're going to grease our bowl, add in our dough, and then cover with plastic wrap and set somewhere warm until it doubles in size, which should take about 1 hour. Now we're going to push on the dough and we're going to see it's going to have a little bit of spring to it. This is what you're looking for. Now we're just going to need to portion our dough. Then we want to portion our dough into 12 60-gram balls. If you don't have a scale, it's not necessary. I just like to be a little bit more consistent when I make my dough balls. Now we just need to roll our dough into smaller balls. This is going to help keep it nice and tight when it proofs over and give a nice little crust on the outside. I like to pinch it into shape and then you just kind of roll it between your thumb and your pinky finger in a little bit of circular motion, and this should give you a nice smooth skin on the outside. Then we just need to grease our pan and add our dough balls back to the pan, cover it with plastic wrap and let it sit somewhere warm until they've doubled in size. Then we just need to bake our rolls at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. When the rolls come out of the oven, we want to brush with some melted butter and sprinkle some flaky sea salt on top. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Leave me a comment on what recipes you want to see next. See you next time.